Did you know that you could improve your health by adding a small amount of baking soda into your regular glass of water? You're going to be surprised if not. You will learn about the amazing and distinctive health advantages of consuming baking soda in your water by watching this video. Find out how including this common household product into your daily routine can improve your overall health, from aiding improved digestion and detoxifying your body to raising energy levels. So here are the best health benefits of drinking baking soda water. Number 1. Balances the body's pH. Due to food and environment, our bodies can become overly acidic, which can cause a number of health problems like inflammation and a weakened immune system. The body's high acidity level can also cause bloating, indigestion, heartburn, and even skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid and helps balance out the excess acid produced in the stomach when it is consumed with water. This neutralization helps restore the natural pH balance and eradicate these symptoms. Number 2. Helps reduce heartburn and acid reflux. If you're among the many people who experience frequent heartburn and acid reflux, you are aware of how painful and even incapacitating the condition may be. Even while many medications promise to treat multiple health conditions, they might not be the best choice for everyone. A natural substitute that can reduce symptoms without taking the risk of negative consequences is to add a tablespoon of baking soda to your water. Baking soda is an alkaline compound that helps neutralize stomach acid. It can help soothe inflammation in the oesophagus when combined with water. Number 3. Reduces pain from ulcers. Ulcers are painful sores that occur in the stomach lining or small intestine. A number of things, such as bacterial infections, stress, and specific drugs can cause them. The alkaline properties of baking soda help neutralize stomach acid and reduce inflammation, relieving ulcer pain. When consumed in moderation, baking soda water can promote healing and prevent discomfort associated with ulcers. Overall, because baking soda has calming and anti-inflammatory qualities, adding a teaspoon to your regular water consumption may help relieve ulcer pain. But always remember to proceed with caution while attempting home remedies. Number 4. Whitens the teeth. Baking soda is an effective teeth whitener because it removes surface stains caused by coffee, tea, and other dark-colored beverages. Additionally, when used as mouthwash, it can neutralize toxic acids in the mouth that lead to poor odor and tooth decay. Because baking soda is alkaline, it also aids in balancing the pH levels in the mouth, which inhibits bacteria growth and enamel deterioration. Furthermore, adding baking soda to your daily dental practice can help polish teeth and gradually make them appear brighter. Make sure you use it moderately because excessive or strong use can make it irritating. It should not replace regular brushing or visits to the dentist, but rather as an adjunct to maintaining good oral hygiene practices. Adding a teaspoon of baking soda to your regular glass of water might improve overall dental health and brighten your smile. Number 5. Boosts energy levels. Our bodies are unable to function properly when they become highly acidic, which can be caused by poor food, stress, or lack of sleep. As a result, we experience a decrease in energy. Drinking baking soda water can help boost energy levels. By neutralizing the body's acid, the alkaline chemicals in baking soda balance the pH level and lessen fatigue. Baking soda includes sodium bicarbonate in addition to its alkalizing qualities, which enhances exercise performance and delays fatigue during physical activity. These attributes are why it is a popular supplement among athletes looking for a natural way to enhance their endurance. While drinking water with baking soda may have some benefits for boosting energy levels, it should not be relied upon as the sole solution for chronic fatigue or low energy. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining optimal health and energy levels. Number 6. Promotes kidney health and prevents the risk of kidney stones. The kidney is responsible for a number of essential bodily processes. One of its primary roles is to filter waste products and excess fluids from the blood, expelled out of the body as urine. This procedure aids in the bloodstream's essential mineral and electrolyte balance, including salt, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Blood pressure regulation is one of the kidney's other essential functions. They release hormones that help control how much fluid your body retains or eliminates. The kidneys may not be able to remove too much acid from the body when they are not working properly. It can lead to various health problems, including the formation of kidney stones. By consuming baking soda water, you can lessen your chance of kidney stones and urinary tract infections by neutralizing these extra acids. Moreover, people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, may find relief from baking soda water. Millions of people worldwide suffer from chronic kidney disease, CKD, a serious illness that frequently results in metabolic acidosis because the kidneys are unable to eliminate enough acid from the blood. According to research, baking soda may reduce acidity in CKD patients and enhance their general health. As a result, using this easy cure in your regular routine may help to improve kidney health and well-being. Number 7. Promotes weight loss and aids digestion. The digestive system breaks down food into smaller particles, absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste products from the body. On the other hand, a few things, such as an unhealthy diet, stress, and inactivity, can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. Because baking soda has an alkaline pH, it is a useful home treatment for a variety of stomach problems. It relieves these symptoms by reducing stomach acid and reducing intestinal lining inflammation. Additionally, using baking soda water can encourage regular bowel movements by facilitating the more effective breakdown of proteins and lipids. This improved digestion allows for a more efficient breakdown of food, reducing the overall calorie intake and enhancing weight loss. Moreover, the body may naturally detoxify using baking soda water, removing harmful compounds from the body. This combination helps alkalize the body and flush out toxins, hindering weight loss efforts. Lastly, the fizzing effect is caused by the carbon dioxide gas that baking soda releases when dissolved in water. The alkalinity of baking soda can help neutralize acidity in the body when consumed orally. Use it minimally, though, as too much of it can have unwanted side effects, including high blood pressure or upset stomach. Before consuming, thoroughly combine half a teaspoon of baking soda with 200 milliliters of water.
Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or using baking soda water for therapeutic purposes.
I hope this video was enjoyable for you. Kindly subscribe to Health and Beauty Tips if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up.